Welcome back to Adventure Wheels. Stephen and Karla here, and you are joining us at the headquarters for Coachbuilt in Nuneaton. Coachbuilt, in case you don't know, are the go-to company in the UK for leisure vehicle adaptations. So whether that be a caravan, a motorhome or a camper van, you name it, they can do it. Behind us is a wheelchair accessible caravan, and coming up right now we've got a full tour to show you around, and we will join you at the end for a few more details. The caravan is accessed through this wide aperture doorway using a removable portable ramp. Coachbuilt designed their caravan entryways to allow for the ramps to remain in place even when the door is closed, and a bracket is fitted to secure the ramps, which prevents them from slipping off when in use. An electric winch has been installed to safely enable a wheelchair user to access the inside. Once inside, above the door, you'll notice that here is where we'll find the main control panel along with the control panel for the heating system. A handy hook and mirror is fitted, and we love this textured panel effect below. Opposite the door, the first thing you'll notice is the kitchen area. This practical and well laid out space has all the cooking equipment you would need for a caravan holiday or tour. It features a spacious Dometic 3-way powered fridge with built-in freezer compartment, a gas hob including one electric hot plate ring, a gas oven, an integrated microwave, compact sink and a huge amount of cupboard space. On the near side, across from the kitchen, there's the addition of a handy side unit which offers extra storage and worktop space. We think this would be the perfect place to plug in a television or even respiratory equipment or a wheelchair charger. Up front in the lounge area, you'll notice a huge amount of natural light flooding the living space. This is thanks to the 3 front windows, a huge midway sunroof and overhead skylight fitted to the roof. Whilst the lounge seating looks to be in the same way as it left the factory, it does in fact have a very clever access feature to it. The near side sofa cushion can be removed and the whole seat base can be lifted up, clipped into place, and now allows for a wheelchair user to use the area to turn around comfortably. Karla, demonstrating it here, owns one of the largest power chairs on the market, so it was a bit on the tight side for her, but it shows you a good feel for the space, and the couple who originally owned this caravan found it perfectly adequate. This is a 2-berth caravan, and once the seat base has been lowered again, pull-out slats can be extended from underneath the centre chest of drawers, and combined with the back cushions filling in the gap, a nice sized double bed is created. Towards the rear of the caravan, another wide access doorway allows for easy access to the washroom. Once inside, it has wet room flooring throughout, with plenty of plug holes and even more storage space with a wardrobe over in the offside corner. A Thetford cassette toilet has been fitted, and there's a good sized wash basin with mirror above. Towards the near side of the washroom is where we will find the shower area. It has plenty of standing room or space for a shower seat, and the option to fit grab rails wherever you might need them helps make this a versatile space which can be tweaked over time to cover any future access requirements. A curtain has also been added to help keep the rest of the washroom dry when showering. So that was the Coachbuilt converted wheelchair accessible caravan on the Swift Challenger 480 base vehicle. Some of you will know that Karla and I have our own wheelchair accessible caravan, so we know firsthand the freedom that only that sort of vehicle can bring to you. In fact, we're away now exploring the West Sussex area. One of the things we love the most about the accessible adaptations that Coachbuilt do is that they're so indistinguishable from the original factory build of the vehicles, and Karla and I consider that really important in accessible design. I'll leave all the contact details for Coachbuilt in the description for this video, or you can find out more about them on their website. Please feel free to share this video and help spread the word that this sort of conversion can be done to a leisure vehicle. Karla and I, as I say before, from time to time will get emails from people who didn't realise that this was possible at all. So the more people that we can get in the know, the better. A big thank you to Coachbuilt for sponsoring our visit up to them a few weeks ago. It really helps enable us to bring this content to you, and I really hope you found it useful. If you have any questions for Karla and I, then please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, or you can get in touch with us using the contact page on the Adventure Wheels website. We will be back with you very soon for another Adventure Wheels video, but for now, keep exploring and we will see you soon.